Hi, I'm Terry McSorley. I'm the manager of the microbiology and molecular departments at St. Elizabeth. We're here today to show you the rapid molecular test for whooping cough, where the results are available within 24 hours. Whooping cough is a disease caused by Bordetella pertussis. It causes a severe coughing fits, and because of the severity and the length of the coughing, the patients have to catch their breath, and when they do, they make that whooping sound. We utilize the Illumigene test for Bordetella pertussis. The Illumigene pertussis test is manufactured locally at the Meridian Bioscience plant in Newtown. If the doctor suspects whooping cough, the patient will have a nasopharyngeal swab collected, where they take a very thin swab, insert it into the nostril. Holly is now processing the sample for testing, so she will remove sample from the tube and place it into the testing cartridge. She's taking the sample that we put into the testing tube and vortexing it to mix it well. Once the sample has been processed, it's ready for reading. And this is the instrument that will perform the reading and determine whether the test is positive or negative. So she'll load the test cartridge into the reader. After about 40 minutes, we'll have our answer.